Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Casa Luxura, which is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual site of the project, and on my right hand side is the land parcel where the construction work is going on over here. And now about the marketing office is just over this site, where you will be getting all the information and details of the project. Now, what exactly Housey is? So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 7.75 acres of land parcel, consisting of total 5 towers, each tower of 4 basement ground plus 50 floors with sky deck amenities. And this project is purely 4 BHK premium residences in different variants. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad. And let me show you the surrounding, that is the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will take you towards ORR exit number 1. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Financial District in just 10 minutes. High-tech city is just 20 minutes away. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in 30 minutes from the project, and ORR exit number 1 is just 200 meters away from the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you 100 plus luxurious amenities with 60,000 square feet of grand clubhouse. Each tower is being connected via skywalk. Common amenities like a gymnasium, kids play area, garden area and many more amenities in this project. Now about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with purely 4 BHK residences in different variants, where 4 BHK is starting from 5735 to 7790 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So as you can check out, our sales gallery is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual site, that is the actual land parcel of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Casa Luxura, which is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.